A lot of people in our industry don't know how to market their cleaning business, but don't worry. We have over 30 years of experience and we're going to share our top 3 tips that we use to help you market your business. I'm Andrea, the Marketing Director at OctoClean, and thanks for joining us. Before we share our top 3 tips for marketing your cleaning business, I want to quote Matt and say, "The best marketing is a clean building." Your services tell all, so make sure that your services are as good as or better than your marketing so you can feel confident and proud promoting them. The first tip to market your business is to establish your brand. Your brand isn't just your business name, logo, and colors. It's more than that. Your brand is your reputation. It's your customers' gut feeling about your service. It lives in their heads and in their hearts, and you influence it by the way you present yourself and your business. You build a brand by curating your customers' experience and their perception of you. And you do this by being professional, showing up in uniform, delivering quality customer support, and training your employees to represent you how you want to be represented. Take some time to really think about how you want your customers to experience your service and how you can position yourself against all the other cleaning companies in your area. Write down a mission statement, goals, your values, your visual representation, and communicate this with your team. It really starts from the top and it works its way down to everyone else. And of course, take time to create a logo and style guide so your brand can be recognizable and unique to you. The second tip to market your cleaning business is to create an online presence. Hey, I just wanted to stop the video right here and say thank you for subscribing. If you aren't subscribed already, please do so. We post videos every Wednesday and we're putting out a lot of really great content to help your business grow. So we hope to see you subscribe. Thanks. When you're looking for a product or service and you want the very best, what do? You probably go online and do a search. Well, when someone searches for your cleaning services in your area, you want your business to show up in the search results. You can start simple by creating a Google business profile. These are 100% free. All you need is a Google account, aka a Google email, to get started. It's easy to set up. You just add all of your business information, a few photos, and voila! You have a business profile where people can see valuable business information, contact you, and leave reviews. Another way to create an online presence is, of course, to create a website for your cleaning business. A website can seem overwhelming and sound expensive, let's be real, but there are ways to create an affordable website. You can do it yourself on a platform like Wix or Squarespace. The website builders on these platforms are super simple to use and don't require any experience in website design. They also have a wealth of articles to help you with setup. You can also hire someone for relatively cheap to create a website for you. A tool we use often for graphic design and website design is Fiverr.com. This video is not sponsored by Fiverr, but it deserves a mention because websites on Fiverr can go for as little as a few $100s. Pretty affordable, and you don't need to do any of the work yourself. Your website doesn't need to be complex, but it does need to be these 3 things. It needs to be easy to use, it needs to do a great job of explaining why customers should work with you, and it needs to give potential customers the ability to request a quote or book a service with you. Just those 3 things and your website will be off to a great start. Let us know if you want to learn more about creating a website specifically for cleaning businesses by leaving a comment below. The third and final tip to market your cleaning business is to be on social media. If you own a business and you aren't on social media, what are you doing? Social media platforms you should be on include Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, even here on YouTube. Start with one platform, and as you become more confident, you can expand to more. So what should you be posting? Social media isn't for selling, it is for marketing. I repeat, social media isn't for selling, it is for marketing. People follow businesses on social media because of the value and community their pages offer. As a cleaning business, the value you can offer is cleaning tips. It could be creating really satisfying before and after content. It could also be telling your story. Ultimately, you need to decide what your goal on social media is. It could be to create a brand awareness, it could be to attract new clients, or it could even be a hiring tool to show how cool your cleaning business is and why people should work for you. Some social media examples you can look to for inspiration include OctoClean, of course, but also Vanessa Amaro, She has over 1 million followers and has used socials to secure really big deals with companies like Scrub Daddy, so go ahead and check her out. We covered a very general overview of marketing tips to help your cleaning business, so if you want us to go into more detail on any of the topics discussed, please like, subscribe, and comment so we know we're producing the content you want to see, and we'll then create even more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.